Welcome to Line Table Screen Printing by Jury Philippines. I'm Jin from Jury. Today we want to share our plan for Platens of line table press. We will also check different kinds of Platens used by other screen printers. Download link of this plan with dimensions is in the description. This is our standard Platen. It's 16 inch by 24 inch and about 1 inch thick. We use regular plywood for Platen body. And we glue Formica laminate for smooth surface on top and bottom. Here is the dimensions of the Platen and the Platen bracket. Materials for Platen brackets are flat metal sheets and metal angle bars. Welding and threading is required for bracket assembly. Let's look at some other Platens used by other screen printers. This Platen has rubber on top of wood, aluminum or metal Platen. Rubber cushion works well with low off contact of the screen. So with this type of rubber top Platens, it's easier to clear the screen and to lay inks on top of the fabric instead of driving the ink into the fabric. This heat-resistant rubber also protects the Platen from the heat of the flash dryer. This Platen is often used by automatic and manual rotary press printers for high-quality printing. Similarly, some printers use padded Platens like this. They place foam on top of the wooden Platen and wrap it up with some plastic or tarp. I guess these soft top Platens work well with water-based inks and no off-contact printing. But there will be issues if you need to apply high heat to the platen, like when you print with plastisol inks. Lastly, just like previous case, this platen also has soft top using foam and tarp. But this one is completely portable because the registration angle bar is directly attached to the platen. For hobbyist screen printers, this can be the best space and money saver. But for commercial printing, heating will cause problems with the foam and the tarp wrap. Also, printing thick inks will be hard because the platen is not fixed and stable. And the workplace can get quickly disorganized and confusing if many platens everywhere. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give us thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.